Alright, here's my project for last week that I didn't get in on time. But I'm going to log into my account. So now we're logged in. So I can go to update account. And if I put that 4 and change this to a 6, update account, it does all of them, changes it to a 6. And then update account or change password. So if I come in and change the password, it also works. So if I log out and then go to my account and go log in and logging in with my new email and then with my new password, it works. So everything works. So now I'm going to just update account and get rid of all the 2s and the 4s. Change that to 7 so I remember. There we go. And then I think that's all for this week. I got both of them working. Again, thank you so much for your help getting this done. Sorry it's so late.